Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Klarna Pay in 4 for any stores. In order to use Klarna Pay in 4 at any store, even those that does not have a Klarna at checkout, you must use the Klarna app or Klarna browser extension to create a one-time cart. What you need is open the Klarna app and use the internal browser to find the store where you want to shop. Then the shop as you normally would and proceed to the store's checkout page. Once you do this, you want to pay with Klarna, right? You just have to tap onto it, select the pink Pay with Klarna button at the bottom of the app screen, enter your total purchase amount, including shipping and taxes. Klarna will then show you the Pay in 4 plan for approval. Then Klarna will generate a virtual Visa card details. Copy and paste these into the store's credit card payment and filled to complete the orders. This way, you are supposed to use Klarna Pay in 4 for any store. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.